makeup artists? Are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? You're definitely in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your makeup artist services. Let's jump in. Now, if you randomly stumbled across this video today, you actually haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to start that free trial. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. See how well the Mighty Sites platform works for you and your small business. Now, once you've registered an account, sign up for the free trial, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets, as you can see, for various small businesses. Let's go ahead and search for ours, makeup artist. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. You also have the option to select the general service business template if you wish to. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our makeup artist service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from literally all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will work its magic, do all the hard work, and generate a simple business for you with the information you've just put in. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites, but don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you around. The great thing about the Mighty Sites platform and what makes us different from other website builders is we've actually pre-written all the content for you and pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. Basically, we want to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. To make any changes to your new website, you don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone either with any web development skills to help you with this. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not very tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from a smartphone. So let's get started. Let me show you around. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, so I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, you can leave it off, but if you have one, pop it in over here. Your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for direction when your website's live. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. To change the colors, you don't need to know color coding. If you'd like to find a more suitable color for your business, click on the paint icon, go through the many different color palettes. There are so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, maybe change up those images, upload your own, or change the content that was pre-written, all you need to do is click on update section. Underneath update image is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. As you can see, we've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos. Underneath update actions, we have those call to action buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file and link to that, or link to another website. Perhaps you take online bookings, you can pop in the website URL underneath another website. In the last section at the bottom is where we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Domains are really easy as well. Mighty Sites makes use of Entry, which connects your domain for you. If you have a custom domain that you've already purchased, you can click on that button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. How convenient is that? I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform in just 5 minutes for your makeup artist business. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more small business marketing tips.